So which one's getting buried under the sand first?
I don't know. All right, so I am leaving now. Gonna head to that forest, which is St. Andrew State Park. Got what I need, so let's get it. Alright, so I'm here now. There is traffic. I don't know why, unless a lot of people want to be here right now. Alright, we're in. It was $8, man. Yeah, this place is chill. See, I know I've been here before, and it's such a faint memory that I'm probably going to see a lot of things and just be mind blown. Because it's like, oh my god, I remember this. You know, but I'll try to park. See what happens. A lot of people out here. Just wanted to see what this area was. It's not where I'm trying to be. I'm gonna go that way. Okay, so I checked Google Maps to see like what was really around the area, and I think I'm in the wrong place. I'm gonna drive a little bit more down the roads and just see where I actually can park off at, because this lady told me that when I paid, there was limited parking and this was the only place to park, but it's like I saw multiple other places to park at, so I don't know, but I'm gonna go and figure it out. Up on this store. The question is, can I walk around these areas? Sand is so bright. My eyes are in pain. I need sunglasses so bad. Oh, here we go. Oh. Hear the water under the rocks. It's so chirpy. Haha. This is a great spot. This is an amazing spot. So slippery. Damn, I knew it. Damn, knew it. Fuck. I'm sure the GoPro just kind of went sideways there, so you probably didn't see my bust, but I just got my top of my shoe wet. That's it. That's what happened to me. Not bad, but third time I've captured myself now busting my ass on camera. Up the hill. Okay. I can do this very well for some reason. It's always a challenge. What up? Alright, so I'm here at Gator Lake, just right over there. I can't go over there. There's a sign that literally says area closed, but I guess I can go this way. Let's check this out. This is exactly what I wanted, and I'm glad I found it. Whoa! That was a big ass lizard, man. I don't know if I caught that. Just ran by. Not gonna lie though, I have some anxiety considering this area is called Gator Lake. So, really hope I don't run into no gators here. The environment is quite different. This is a big pine area, but right here, this moss. It's moss I only see near the beaches. I forgot what it's actually called though. Alright, here we are. Alligators are present along the trails and waterways of this park. Okay. They have been known to attack humans. Awesome. At least it's been confirmed for me now.
How cool would it be to see that deer get ate by